Hello guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to fix the Rinnai Water Heater Code 11. But first, what does a Rinnai Water Heater Error Code 11 mean? Rinnai water heaters are trusted water heating systems that are great for supplying hot water, especially in domestic setups. With frequent use, it's common to encounter an Error Code 11 on your device. It simply means there's no ignition. And this can be a result of many factors, including trapped moisture, malfunctioning ignition, and insufficient gas supply. The following are some of the common causes for this error code. Faulty igniter. The Rinnai water heater's igniter is usually located at the bottom of the water tank and is crucial since it ignites the gas burner. If it's faulty from bad circuits, loose wires, dirt buildup, or insufficient voltage, the system will have no ignition, and water will not be heated, leading to an error code 11. Insufficient gas supply. To function, your Rinnai water heater needs a sufficient gas supply. Other house appliances like stoves and dryers, poor gas pressure and airlocks in gas chambers can deplete the gas available for the water heater. It will therefore be unable to ignite. Water and moisture. If water accumulates in the unit's system, it can negatively affect circuits and connections. Moisture can also cause erosion in pipes and other components, which can make ignitions fail. Now let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the error code 11. Check the water heater igniter. To determine if your igniter is the problem, do the following. Inspect the igniter for dirt, scale, and carbon residue. Clean it according to the instruction manual. If the igniter does not spark, use a multimeter to check if the voltage your heater is receiving is enough. Check for loose or damaged parts and replace them as necessary. Check your gas supply. Do the following to check your gas supply. Make sure your gas supply is turned on. Inspect your gas outlet to ensure there's no obstructions that could be affecting the gas pressure levels. Purge your gas pipes of any blocked air. Inspect the system for water. To see if water buildup could be causing the error code, this is what you need to do. Check the heater's pipes and parts for water and moisture. If corroded, replace them immediately. Make sure your system's condensate drainage is not blocked. Thanks for watching.